Do you think that this year you will be able to perform Sinulog in a better way?
I think yes, kasi yung mga students ngayon, mas nag-mature sila, mas nagpa-participate naman sila, at nagagawa naman nila yung task na inata sa kanila. So, feel ko naman, mas magiging mabuti yung
Feel to lead 30 plus people?
Sabihin ko lang po talaga na it's very stressful po. Lalo na po sa mga may absent po. Props and practice po. Nakaka-stressful po siya. But with enough perseverance and patience po, I'm going to make it through with them. So good luck sa atin lahat. 7 ka mag-go.
Kamusta po bilang isang prinsesa?
Nakakahiya po kasi first time ko lang naman po maging prinsesa. And then, ang dami pong nakatingin sa akin ng mga grade 10, pero nilakasan ko po yung confident ko. Dahil sa ina-present po namin ang Sinulog Festival.
Sinulog Santo Niño Festival is an annual cultural and religious festival held on the third Sunday of January in Cebu. The festival is considered to be the biggest festival in the Philippines, with every celebration of the festival routinely attracting between 1 million and 1.5 million each year. Aside from the religious aspect of the festival, Sinulog is also famous for its street parties, usually happening the night before and the night of the main festival. The festival is also nicknamed the grandest festival in the Philippines.
libong pulo ang ginawa